Let me see that hat.
Hurting. Hello.
Yeah.
Yep, I might get in trouble for this. The lighting's perfect.
Oh, Mitchell, you can see your mustache.
You can see all the dollars. We're switching from mojitos to mimosas. One drop, you know the rules. And 10 out of 10.
That was a big boy right there.
Look at all the food we got.
Everyone got the same thing.
And it's gone.
Bought this sick board, bro. Gnarly. Oh yeah. Pack the bag, Mitchell. Jacob.
What?
It's time to go.
We're going back to the beach?
Yes. Ow! Ugh. I'm leaving you. There's a hurricane coming, so we've got a little bit of time to go to the beach for the sunshine before the storm. It's a red flag. Things are about to get crazy. I'm not too sure how to work this. How do I do this? Sally is moving in, and she's moving in quick.
Not gonna get very much footage today because... And it's getting intense. We're getting serious.
I was already on my third shuffle.
What?
Oh man.
Ah, these are great angles for us, Sophie. Yes, yes. We should never trust Mitchell. I am not doing too good, boys and girls.
Uh-oh. There it is. Down it. Oh, yeah.
Ah!
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. Boy or girl?
Yes.
I thought he was literally gonna say boy or girl, gay.
That's what I was gonna say.
What the hell is going on?
Wait, no, wait!
Speed.
Hey, no. The way you place those down, you know that's cheating.
No, they're bad.
Very bad. Not bad.
That one was not good.
Oh, you rolled up your sleeves like old JP.
He's too busy wiping his nose on his sleeves.
I love when your belly touches me.
Here's your eggs.
Nice.
Hold on, let me open my eyes.
Dude, can your eyes be...
If it's a video, then I can get my eyes open.
Why are y'all doing that?
Creepy in here.
I really don't like that.
Do you have sunburns?
Yeah.
I hope not.
Oh. Okay.
Are you sad?
Why would you do that to me, man?
Because I can't pick you up.
I had so many qualms tonight. So many. There's a fanny protector, thank God. I am handy capable, in case you have forgotten.
Spell it, idiot! Yeah, that's what I thought. Is that?
It's time for bed.
It looks like something that I'm not allowed to touch. I don't want to go home.
We're matching.
You're gonna find the time to work out, dude. Always.
Huh, bye.
Would you recommend Florida?
Oh,
Florida? For the lawless.
your mask.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Much love.
Very good.
Onward.
Word, please. Welcome aboard.
Cheers, love.
Oh no. I spilled it. Smallest plane in the world. He's homesick. Gotta get off all the COVID. Get us out of here. Get this mask off my face. We're going home.
We're kind of home. We're not quite there yet.
It's not the same without mittens here.
Mittens? God damn it. Mittens. Finally. Make me welcome home soup, woman.
Mittens, it's time to go home. Dad? tell her goodbye?
Oh my God. Mittens. Oh, wait, not my shirt, not my shirt. Ah. Mittens, it's nice to see you. Go back here. No, Mittens, no.
No!
Oh no. Your ass is out of here.
Dad! Bye, little precious grand kitty. Come back anytime. You didn't give her a kiss. It's gonna be a long drive home.